Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are facing Final Fantasy 14 error code 2002, to avoid this error, there is not much you can do beyond ensuring a stable internet connection. While it is a frustrating issue, especially during expansion release, it is something most players have come to anticipate. Restart your router and use a wired connection. Power cycle router and modem by tuning them off for about 30 seconds and then turning them back on. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switch to the wired internet connection to see if the stability improves. Close any background application that might be consuming bandwidth, such as download, streaming services or others online games. On the Windows, you can reset your network setting by go to the settings and click on the network and internet, then go to the advanced network settings and click on the networks. As you can see here, reset option. Make sure your internet driver are up to date. You can update them through device manager or visiting the manufacturing website. Go to the device manager and click on the network, double click on the network and see the driver and right click on it and click on the update option. If the issue persists after trying these methods, you may want to reach out to the game support team for the further assistance. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.